Options trading, whether buying or selling, involves significant risk and should be approached with extreme caution and due diligence. The content provided here is for informational purposes only and should not be construed as financial advice. Trading options can result in substantial losses or gains, and it is your responsibility to fully understand the risks involved. The host and content creators are not liable for any financial outcomes, including losses or profits, that may arise from your trading activities. Always consult with a qualified financial professional before engaging in options trading.
Good evening traders. Today is 5th of September and time now is around 5:30. So today we made a profit of around 57,500. If you see here, 57,550. Now I want to share with you the details. So people ask me how you are doing, what is the strategy, how you are trading, what are all the things, what are all the strikes you are using. This is not a rocket science. That's what we are going to see in this video. In fact, whether I'm making profit or loss, I will share the details or I will share the trade setup going forward. If I am free, I'll be free. I'm sure I'll be free. We'll share the trade setup. Now I'll go to the chart and I will show you something so that you can understand here. Now this is the Nifty chart. Today was a Nifty expiry. So what happened is here is we gapped up, right? We gapped up around 25,200 levels. We gapped up around 25,200 levels. We came all the way down to around 25,200. Now 25,200 was a good support in Nifty. I'm talking about intraday, right? So 25,000 somewhere here, 25,000 was a very good support. Now once this 25,000 was broken, I believed that it is not likely to take 25,000 today intraday. It is not likely to take 25,200 again. Now this support has been broken and this support has become a very strong resistance for intraday. I am talking about intraday. I am not talking about long term. I am talking about today. Now what we did, once this 25,200 was broken, we wrote 25,000. We wrote 25,200. See how much? 1,400 lots. So how much? 1,400 lots into 25 means maybe around 25, right? Around 3,500 quantities. 3,500 quantities of CE option, right? So as the market, what happened then? Then you can see market came till around 25,000 and we know that it is not going to go below 25,000 also. So on the higher side 25,300, 25,200 and on the downside 25,000 was a very strong support. So intraday support of 25,200 was not taken out. So that way we were lucky. If this 25,000, if this 25,200, this was taken out, actually market tried, bulls tried, it came all the way till 25,000 here, and then it retraced and we were in a good profit, and obviously it is going to be in profit only. This is not rocket science. Every Tom, Dick and Harry can do, right? Anyone who knows about trading option, selling option can do this, right? Now you will ask me, Umar, don't say that you just sold a call option and you are sitting whole day. What will happen if the market goes above 25,200? You are absolutely right. There is no doubt about that. You are asking an obvious question here, right? Now if market goes above 25,200, I would have been in big trouble. That we will talk later. I will tell you what will happen and why. See, there is a rational behind everything, right? So if you are doing something, you have to know what is going to happen, right? So why we are writing. Now if you go and see the open interest, this is the open interest chart of Nifty and this is the timeline. If I scroll this to around 10:30, there was a huge this one. If you see this chart, this line, there was a huge build-up at 25,200. So what was happening is market participants were writing huge call options. So they were writing 25,200, 25,250, 25,300, 25,350 all the way till 25,500, they were writing huge call options. Now if the market has to move on the higher side, there has to be put writing also. So put writing was not happening at all. Now this is the open interest buildup in of 25,200. Now you can see here how much buildup around from 1030, sorry, around from 1030, the buildup was around how much, 60 million, right? 60 million. So much of call writing was happening, and literally there was no put writing at all. So this was a very good opportunity. This was a very good opportunity, and this helped us make some money. Now you will ask, what will happen if the market reverses or if the market goes on the higher side? So as I told you, we have written how much, 1400 lots into 25, so it will be around 3500 quantity of call option. One small move, right, one small move against my position, I would be in huge loss. Now if you are following me, I would have posted huge losses. I would have done every one day I have lost 2.5 lakhs, 3 lakhs, 3.5 lakhs. So I have posted huge losses. Now this is the reason. Now we are, see, I am a very aggressive trader. I sell call options, I sell put option based on my decision, right? What I think, I may go wrong, I may go right. Most of the day I am right. But what happens is, when I am wrong, I go terribly wrong. When I am right, I go right. But when I go wrong, I go terribly wrong. That is the problem. So that has been sorted out, I think. So going forward, we will see what will happen, what is going to happen. So nothing to worry about. This is the only thing we have done here. No strategies, I'll tell you. Even if you are selling straddles, strangles, people talk about 930. See, there is a strategy called 930 or 920 straddle. What they do is, they sell a straddle, let's assume 25,200 short straddle. CE and PE they will sell if the market is coming on the downside. PE will hit stop loss, and they will continue with the CE. This is a famous strategy, but we don't do that. So we are a whole different thing. We are a whole different ball game. We do different strategy. So this is what happened today. And eventually we at around 3 o'clock we squared off all the position, and we ended up in profit. Now if you had seen our previous PNL. So if you go for last week, let me show you last week. So what if you see here, this is the last week PNL, last week, and this day, on this particular day, we made a loss of around 40k, minus 40k. So what happened? We were long in the market went, suddenly it came down. So it suddenly came down. So what would have happened? We would have written maybe 1500 lots or 1600 lots. We would have been very happy. When the market came here, you would have sold for maybe around how much, 35 rupees or 25 rupees. This 35 rupees or 25 rupees option would have gone to 150 or 180 rupees. So what you will do, you will be in big loss. So that is the problem. Once you square off seeing this big red candle, you would have squared off your position. Market will reverse, return, and the losses you have booked already, you cannot do anything at all. So this is the problem. See, you can manage market when it is making you cannot manage the market when it is making two-way, three-way moves like this. If you can make, if the market is making two-way, three-way move, but range bound moves, you can make money. But if the market is having too much of spikes, too much of injections like this, what happened last Thursday, which is 29th of August, it is very hard to make money in the market. So this is what happened today. So as you would have seen in the earlier part of this video, this is very risky. I'm not going to say it is very easy. It is very hard. One wrong move against you, it will close you. It will you need to have caliber. You will need to have a strong willpower to manage this kind of market. I think you find this video very helpful. If you have any questions, I'll try to answer your question. Let me know on the comments below. Thank you for watching. Take care, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video.